Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix weather widget is not updating in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your weather widget is not updating your weather and background or until you might tap on your weather widget, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So now to fix the issue, the very first thing you just have to open your weather app and then click agree to allow local weather. Just click on agree. The very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. You have to also make sure that your location services are enabled. Once you have done, just simply go back to your weather app and just scroll down to and you might see this type icon here in the left bottom. Click on it. Click on three dots at the top right corner. Click settings here. And once you are in setting, you have to enable your local weather from here. Once you have enabled, go back. Also enable your auto refresh. Once you have enabled both of these options, it will allow your weather app to fetch your location and your weather info in background. Just click on it to select your area and it will allow to get your info here. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still facing the same issue that you have enabled all the settings, but your weather app is still not fetching your weather in background until you tap on your weather widget or app. So it might be that your power saving is enabled. Sometimes it might be that your power saving is enabled, so it don't allow to use any app in background. You have to simply go ahead to your settings here, go to battery, and make sure that your battery saver is not enabled. If you might see that your battery saver or your power saving is enabled, just try to disable that, and after disabling that, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.